Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy raspberry mousse with only 3 ingredients. It's such a lovely, light, creamy dessert. And as always, I've written the blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this lovely mousse a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. We're going to start by cooking our berries to a puree. I've got a whole 350 gram bag of frozen raspberries here. You could use a smaller bag or a bigger bag, and it really just depends how many berries you want in your raspberry mousse, but I'm going to pop these on the stovetop and get them cooking to become a puree. So they're on the stovetop over medium to high heat, and just kind of help the bigger ones along by breaking them up and keep stirring it, and you'll see within a few minutes you'll have a lovely berry puree. It's only been a couple of minutes and it's already getting really lovely and soft and broken down, but I really want to cook it until we've got a lovely liquidy bubbly puree. It's getting there. It's a lovely and liquidy puree, but I just want it to cook a little more until it's all bubbly and lovely. There you go, I'm happy with that. It's nice and bubbly, so we're going to take it off the heat. Now it's up to you how smooth you want the berry part of your mousse to be. You could leave it just like that. You could pop it into a blender, use a stick blender, and then you could even pop it through a sieve to get any pips out. We like ours with all the little bits of berry in, but I do like to make it a little bit smoother just by mashing it with a potato masher, just to get any of those bigger pieces mashed out. There you go, I'm happy with that. It's quite nice and pureed to my liking. Now my mousse is going to be quite creamy. If you want a more thickened jelly-like mousse, at this stage you can add in some gelatin, a couple of teaspoons of gelatin, mix it through and then it'll set like jelly, but I prefer mine creamy as I said, so I'm going to leave it like that. But I am going to add in some sweetness. You can add in any sugar you like. Go for a couple of tablespoons, 2 to 4 tablespoons, a half a cup. That was a very shallow quarter of a cup that I went with, and I'm just going to mix it through now just to dissolve. There we go. And now what you're going to do is just allow the puree to cool completely, and once it's at room temperature, then we're going to whip up the cream and mix everything together, which I will show you next. It's a little while later now and the raspberry puree has cooled completely, so we'll just set it aside, grab out a bowl, and we're going to whip up some cream. So pour a cup of cream into a bowl. You can use heavy whipping, double, any cream. This is just fresh Irish cream. You can use any cream that you can whip into whipped cream. That is what you want to use. Oh, it's finally focused. Fresh Irish cream I'm using here. So we're just going to whip it till we've got lovely light whipped cream. Here we go. There you go, beautiful whipped cream. You can really just whip it until it's thickened to your liking. And now we're going to mix the raspberry puree through. So we'll pour over the cooled raspberry puree and fold it through until it's completely incorporated. It's up to you if you want to have kind of a raspberry ripple effect or you want it fully incorporated, but just do so kind of gently. I like to kind of do a bit of a figure 8. There you go, I'm happy with that, and now we'll move it into a presentation bowl. So I've got this pretty pink bowl that I'm using, and I'll just pour the raspberry mousse in and just flatten it down. Now just pop it into the fridge for a few hours to set and to get nice and thickened, and I'll show you once it's out the fridge. It's a few hours later now and the mousse has set up. It's such a beautiful, luminous, almost pink colour. I'm not sure if it's coming across on camera or not, but it is beautiful, beautiful raspberry mousse, and I'm just going to get a spoon into it. And there you go, you can see a beautiful spoonful of the lovely creamy mousse. It's just lovely and full of berry flavor, and it's just such a lovely dessert with only 3 ingredients, as you saw. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this lovely creamy mousse a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.